Requirements management addresses the challenge of recording, maintaining, and tracking key principles of design tasks. Product design is driven by requirements. It is imperative to accurately link and track requirements during the product design and manufacturing process. Solid Edge addresses this with requirements management. Role and credential-based authentication ensures secure access to the requirements database. Users can either key in specific project and requirement IDs or search based on a wide range of criteria. In this example, the user has been assigned a requirement for a lighter version of a part. A dedicated tab in the user interface can be thought of as a dashboard. Users have instant access to requirements. This means tasks or test cases and can be referenced anytime to avoid costly oversights. Here's the part in question that needs to be modified. In this case, generative design is used to lightweight the part but still ensure it has the desired strength characteristics. To ensure accurate traceability, once a work item has been addressed, users can tag the specific requirement ID to the Solid Edge file, all from within Solid Edge. A detailed list of actions performed on a specific task is one click away. Administrators and project managers can choose to allow user comments, link related work items, as well as other ways of interacting with the work item. With the link between design data and work items, 3D PDF files allow managerial decisions to be made without the need for having access to a CAD system. New with Solid Edge. Requirements management addresses the challenge of recording, maintaining, and tracking key principles of design tasks. Requirements. Embedded access makes it quick and easy for users to interact or search for work items and other tasks instantly. Complete traceability benefits project managers and allows sound decision-making. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.